Today's focus is on choking in children and babies, a serious emergency where your response must be swift and appropriate for their age. For children over 1 year, begin by encouraging them to cough. If that doesn't work, give 5 back blows between the shoulder blades while they lean forward. Then deliver 5 abdominal thrusts, just like with adults, but more gently. For babies under 1 year, never use abdominal thrusts. Instead, lay the baby down along your forearm, supporting the head. Give 5 back blows between the shoulder blades, and if the blockage remains, turn them face up and give 5 chest thrusts using 2 fingers on the breastbone. Alternate between back blows and chest thrusts until the airway is clear or the baby becomes unresponsive. If unresponsive, start CPR and call 999. Always seek medical attention after choking, even if the object is expelled.